Hello viewers and welcome to my channel, Review Information. In this video I will show you how to change your WeChat Moments privacy settings.
Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates.
Here is the easy way to change your WeChat Moments privacy settings. First, open the WeChat application. Go to your profile by tapping on Me from the bottom right corner. From your profile, tap on Settings. From Settings, tap on Privacy. In the Privacy settings, you will find the Moments and Time Capsule section. When you want to post a WeChat moment and don't want some people see it, or only need some friends see it, you can use the feature, Hide My Posts. Tap on it. Now add the persons with whom you don't want to share your moments and time capsule posts. Now tap on Hide Their Posts. Now add the persons whose moments and time capsule posts you don't want to see. Now tap on Viewable by Friends. Here you can see 3 options. Select how much of your moments you want the world or your WeChat friends to see. You can also disable your last 10 posts public, if you want. For this, just toggle off the button. You can also disable Moments Update Alerts. Just toggle off the button. All are done. So in this way, you can change your WeChat Moments privacy settings. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.